Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. My name is Tianhua, and our paper is accomplished by Lei, Gianluca, Marta, Shazia, and me all together. In this video, I will briefly introduce our paper and our results on finding data worker interaction behaviors. Based on the background research, we can see that nowadays, data scientists, or more generally data workers, can spend up to 80% of their time on data investigation and curation activities to ensure adequate data quality. In such a labor-intensive task, substantial manual work from data workers still plays an important role. However, there's a paucity of research looking at how they interact with various information while carrying out data curation activities. In this paper, we take a multimodal approach to understand how data workers use resources and tools to support their work. Specifically, we study their behaviors when they discover data quality issues on a given dataset. And we focus on these three research questions, such as how they search for information and use resources for each task, and what strategies they use and how these strategies vary among them. Also, we want to know when would data workers search for information and for what purpose. Therefore, in this study, we conduct a lab-based user study involving 39 participants to identify 5 types of data quality issues in a given dataset. And the data quality issues include the types of missing, non-unique, duplicate, imprecise, and inconsistent. On our purpose-designed data curation platform, we use Chrome browser extensions to inject the left and right panels on Jupyter Notebook, and we capture their interaction behaviors by JavaScript and eye tracker. In the left panel on the platform, we provide 21 data ops, which are sufficient for them to complete all the tasks. In the middle panel, we provide a standard Jupyter Notebook for them to explore on the given dataset. And in the right panel, we provide a direct view of the dataset, so data workers can provide annotations either using the toolkit on the top of here or by clicking on the each tag on the each cell. In order to measure the quality of their provided annotations, we use precision, recall, and F1 measure as the evaluation metrics. And based on their F1 score, whether it's above 0.5, we define data workers as high performers and low performers. As a result, our collected data reveals that searching for external resources is a prevalent action that can be leveraged to achieve a better performance. And copy-paste modify is a typical strategy for them. Also, providing relevant code on a platform could help them to get started with their task. And external resources with more detailed examples and explanations can be helpful for them to produce a better quality results. And we also find that presenting a data view is an effective way to support exploration and to help them to comprehend the dataset. We also noticed that for high performers, they spend less time on the data curation platform and more time on external resources. And they would also have common patterns such as on refining and reusing the code generated in the previous steps and modifying code taken from external sources. In addition, in order to understand external search patterns and the most common reasons that trigger such actions, we also investigate the interactions they perform in a short period before any external search. And we call it as observing window. And we use TF-IDF as a metric to extract the most important actions before each search and evaluate the importance of each action in the observing windows. Based on our results, we can find that Most common reasons that trigger external search include they are seeking assistance in writing the code, or they are looking for relevant code to reuse, or for exploring information for the code debugging. In this study, we have focused on understanding data worker interaction behaviors, on identifying data quality issues, and our findings can provide implications on the design of data curation platforms, the use of internal and external resources for discovering data quality issues, and the potential for building a domain-specific IR system for data workers, just like code-based search. Thank you for listening, and please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you.